All right, guys, I'm here with our reteaching for topic 15. If you watched my last video, hopefully you did. And if you looked at Google Classroom and looked at instructions, we are skipping 15-9. I don't like that lesson, and I think it's hard for kids depending on what kind of ribbon or thread or rope or whatever it is we use. So I'm not worried about that lesson. I'm not worried about it. That's a skill you can learn later. I don't think you need to know it, and it's not pertinent to what I want you to learn this topic. So we're skipping it. Yay! All right, so we're ready for our topic review. Set A says to measure the length of an object to the nearest inch. So it's just reviewing here. We know we used rulers and we measured to the nearest inch. And now look at, it says use a ruler to measure the length of each object. That means the object on the paper, not in real life. Some of you handed in homework, like one of you said that a quarter was a meter long. That's a pretty big quarter. Like, I don't know what you were thinking on that. Or a paper clip was a foot long. But so sometimes it'll say to go find an object, or sometimes you'll just measure the object on the paper. These you're measuring the object on the paper. Don't go find a marker. Don't go find a crayon. Don't go find a paintbrush. You need to measure these items that are right here, okay? These items, these items. These items. Don't go find a crayon, a marker, or a paintbrush. Measure these right here. Just measure that purple line, okay? All right, so for part B, same thing, but with centimeters. Measure the objects on the paper. I know that looks like a small stapler, but there are many staplers. Just measure the stapler. Don't go find a stapler. Don't go find your toothbrush and measure it, okay? Don't go find a crayon again. Measure these items. They're making it super easy for you. You don't even have to leave your seat. Just sit right here, measure, all right? On the inside, set C is reviewing reasonableness and what we would use to measure something. So now these, I want you to think about real life, okay? In real life, if you were to measure a thermos, a cube, a bear, like a stuffed teddy bear, which one would be about an inch in real life? Not these, because if I measure these, that's close to an inch, that's not, and that is. So which one do I pick? So in real life, which one would be about an inch? Which one would be at about a foot in real life? Okay, in real life. And then on D, reviewing our last lesson that we did, measuring two lengths and adding them together and comparing, okay? So please write down your measurements. I want to see a number here, a number here, a number here, a number here for 4 extra points. I'm going to add on 4 points to this for showing your work, okay? Show me the 4 numbers here, or else that's going to be 4 points wrong, okay? And speaking of that, we need a code word for this page. Let's do, gosh, what's something fun we can do? How about monkey? I guess that's fun. So write the word monkey on your paper for an extra credit point on this lesson, and make sure you give me those 4 numbers, okay? And make sure these are real life. Set A and B are just what's on the paper, okay? So I will see you guys in our test video. Bye.